Hello, my name is Imran and I'm a data scientist at ConsoleU. Today we are going to install Anaconda. With the Anaconda, we can use different IDEs like Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, Pycharm for the Python language and data science. We can directly install Python on the computer, but there are a lot of things to install with. But with the Anaconda, we don't need to install Python specifically, as well as some basic packages and libraries. So let's get started to install Anaconda. We can search here Anaconda on the Google. So we will see Anaconda distribution. So here we will be seeing download. So after downloading the Anaconda, we can simply click on the Anaconda setup. So then next, and then we will be agree on it. So here we can click on just for me if you are using single user, but if there are multi users on your computer, you can click on it. So it's just for me for now, and here you can browse installation. Okay, so you will click on next, but here it is giving me the error that there is no empty folder with the name of Anaconda 3 because I have already installed on it. So I'm just going to say okay, and if you will click on the next, it will start installing the Anaconda. I have already installed Anaconda, so I can directly open the Jupyter Notebook and then I can start doing Python programming. But if I wanted to open the Anaconda navigator, so I can also call Anaconda navigator. Okay, so after clicking on it, we can open the Anaconda navigator. So here we can launch Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. Also we can launch Spyder, we can install Pycharm, and then we can launch here the Pycharm as well. So we can use all these IDEs for the Python programming and for the data science. Thank you very much.